Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. This was the car that started the muscle car craze, the 1964 GTO. And let me tell you what, this one is special. We have the Pontiac Historical documentation that verifies this is a real GTO. This one was born with the tri-power, with a 4-speed, was born in these colors. It was born in California and lived in California most of its life. It has power steering, power brakes, upgraded to disc in the front, has a factory tachometer, factory deluxe wheel, factory power antenna. All that's on the paperwork. This car was born with all these fantastic options, which is rare. And to make it better yet, it has the original correct motor and transmission still to the car. So this has a lot going for it. And if you visit volocars.com, that's where you'll find all the specs, pricing, photos top to bottom of this car, and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. So visit volocars.com. Right now, how about you go for a spin with me in this 64 GTO ragtop. Beautiful color. It's just different. It stands out to me. It's just a good looking car. They put Rally 1 wheels. They're brand new. I think they're 17-inch Rally 1 wheels with the low profile radial redline tires. So that's a bit of an upgrade, but I think it makes the car. It's hot. Those splitter exhaust tips you see coming out are the correct ones. I've seen some generic aftermarket versions. They're the correct ones. This is a power antenna that works. I just had it up a second ago. Bumpers are re-chromed. This tail panel's been detailed out, but it's original. And they claimed it's all the original panels still on the car, and best I can tell, that is true. There's no splices in the quarters. They're the original panels. The car is really straight, clean, fits really nicely. Overall, the trim, none of this is new, but it's all in really nice shape. Door handles shine. Everything is smooth and shiny, not pitted. The original grills here in the hood, very nice shape. Up front, everything looks good. So that is the original 1964 tri-power engine. I forget the code offhand, but it's on the website. Correct tri-power. The right valve covers look like they've been re-chromed. New alternator. Everything in here is cleaned up, detailed out, real nice and proper. You know, it has a shroud, the overflow hose, a Delco battery topper, hood insulation, just all nice clean black metal. It also has some Hotchkis front and rear suspension upgrades. So the disc brakes, tires and wheels, Hotchkis suspension were upgrades, but everything else you see with the car, it was born that way. And I have the documentation in here, the Pontiac Historical papers. They remade a copy of the window sticker for the car and some miscellaneous receipts. There's about 2,000 miles on the restoration of this car. Underneath is a real clean, nice original floors. Trunk compartments, all nice clean metal, has nice spatter paint, trunk mat. It's got a spare. You can see all this is painted beautifully. Convertible top is a brand new white top. I mean, it's crisp white, new crystal clear plastic window in the back. It's a power top. All the upholstery's been redone. The side panels, armrests, door panels, seats, carpet, has reproduction floor mats. Like I said, the deluxe wheel, which is on the paperwork. Tachometer in the dash, which is on the paperwork. There's a cluster of 3 gauges down below the dash. Probably oil pressure, temperature, and volts. Dash area is painted up real nice. Well, why don't I start it for you? I drove this car. I drove it. I took my daughter to lunch the other day. Drove great. Shifted through the gears nice. Stopped nice. Felt nice. Went over the bumps nice. So it's a good car. Really is. All around, It's probably one of my more favorite cars that I've bought recently. Sounds nice, the mirror is nice, visors, the whole dash area, the instrument panel, everything's real nice. Seats feel good. Motor was rebuilt. I have the receipt for that. The gauges in the car were rebuilt, restored. So again, we've got a 1964 GTO tri-power California car loaded with options, numbers matching, born with all this good stuff. Not only is all that stuff super desirable, but that really makes it investment quality. A lot of these GTOs, if it's even a GTO to begin with, have tri-powers added or automatic switch to 4-speed. But really, think about it. This is important. A tri-power 4-speed convertible, and it was born that way. And then it just keeps getting better from there. And it's just a nice car. I said I drove it and enjoyed it very much. I'd hop in this car and take it anywhere. I just feel real good about it. New windshield. So again, go to volocars.com. That's where all your questions can get answered. Plenty of ways to contact us. We can help you with the whole process. We have shipping, we have financing. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these awesome cars as they come out. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more cool cars.